Combat Chef Knife in orange. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Three River Blades. I'm going to roll the footage on how I made this Combat Chef Knife. If you're not familiar with the Combat Chef Knife, it is the only one that I make that is basically used for culinary use. This is a 52-100, so you do have to take care of it, but it is thicker than a regular chef knife, and that's exactly the reason why I made it. So you can use it in the field, but you could also use it at your kitchen table. Let me roll the footage and we'll get right back to you. Alright guys, I hope you appreciate that. This is the Combat Chef Knife, alright? The Combat Chef Knife, again, made at a 52-100. It is going to be in a flat grind. And what I had done here was the customer did request to have it in orange. This is a tiger stripe or black and orange, and it's a G10. Really nice thick handles. I like to make thick handles on chef knives just because it reduces hand fatigue. All right, so if you're a chef, you know what I'm talking about. You're constantly doing this. It also does come with a Kydex sheath. Now this Kydex sheath you can use for the woods. So if you want to use this in the woods, you absolutely can. Again, 52-100 is an outstanding piece of steel. It is a carbon steel, so it is not stainless steel. You will have to take care of it. And again, depending on if you are going to use it out in the woods or if you're going to use it for your kitchen table, please make sure you use the proper oil. So for food prep mineral oil, okay? Don't use WD-40, don't use anything else. If you're gonna use it in the woods, then sky's the limit. You can use gun oil, you can use whatever you want. This will come in a satin finish. There are other options up there if you like. It will come in a flat grind, okay? So really nice 3/16 inch thick spine, so it has a little bit more heft to it, really nice balance. This is a 7-inch blade, and I do like to add the coffin style handle. All right, if you can see that right there, that is a coffin style handle, and I just think it gives it a little bit more of a buoy look. All right, so very comfortable knife. If you want one of these, all you have to do is go to 3riverblades.com. Make sure you head up there, check out all the great stuff I have up there. Also, to support this channel, you become a Patreon member, only costs you $1 a month, or like, subscribe, comment, put all that stuff down below. So go to 3riverblades.com, check out 3 River Kydex, check out 3 River Survival. I also added a whole bunch of links down below for you guys if you're into the social media. I'm all over the place, guys. But if you want one of these, supplies are limited, and again, the customization options are on the website for you. Thank you very much, guys, and as always, please stay safe.